Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can benefit from massive amounts of social proof through our customizable reviews widget. So inside of your full Scope Freelancer account, I want you to head to the reputation area, and once you're there, you can add to the widgets tab. And here we basically have a helpful widget that can sit on your website and showcase all the reviews that are coming into your Google and or Facebook account in real time, and it updates itself automatically anytime new reviews are coming in. So you don't have to go back and forth to your website every time someone leaves you a nice comment or a 5-star review. This will sit on your web page and update itself automatically. Not only that, it's highly customizable. So let's take a look at making a review widget for yourself. To do that, we're just going to go to Create New here on the right. And the first thing we can do is we can select the review source. So obviously you need to be connected to either your Google page or your Facebook page. And in this case, let's say I only gather reviews for this project from the Google page, so I'll just select that. But of course, as you can see, you can select all, or if you have multiple, for example, Facebook pages, for whatever reason, you might only want to display one of them. So this is very highly customizable, as I mentioned. Down here, we have different widget types, so you can change the layout a little bit. If you want a list or a grid, you can just change the max number of reviews. And of course, if you do have the unfortunate situation of having any bad reviews on your page, you don't need to show that on your website. So in this case, we could say, hey, let's only display 4 stars and above, or 3. You can choose which reviews are going to be filtered out with this setting right here. And if we go to the next tab here, content, we can of course edit this title, edit the kind of the information here at the top, or if we don't want any of that information displayed, we can just turn off the title and the header. That's also an option. Under appearance, we have, as you can see, just a default light and dark theme. But of course, you can also customize this with your own colors if you'd like. You can change the font as well. And here under settings at the end, you can change a few things like display when the date of that review was coming in from. So maybe if you don't get a lot of reviews often, or you have a big gap, maybe you don't want people to see that you haven't gotten any reviews in the last month or so. But otherwise, if you do get lots of reviews frequently, then that's, I think, it leaves a good impression on customers when they say, oh wow, just 3 days ago, someone left this person a good review, so they are active, their business is thriving. That's the impression they get from this. And of course, here in the settings area, also, if you don't have your website done through your full Scope account, if you still have like a WordPress or a Squarespace page, you can embed this widget onto that website, so it's not closed off and only available in the full Scope Freelancer ecosystem. So this is how you would get this all set up, and this is what it would look like on an actual web page. So here's this project's review widget. As you can see, we've got all of the reviews from recent reviewers, from recent customers displayed here. We've got the average review, which for this project is 5 stars out of 67 reviews. Obviously, that's going to leave a great impression. And if people want to see even more reviews, they just click load more, and then they can kind of scroll through and see even further back what people were saying about the business. This is a really powerful tool. And if you have this review widget combined with a couple key testimonials from clients who had just particularly good results, if you have all of that displayed on your website, that's really just a slam dunk for your business. So feel free to use one, the other, or both. Again, depending on the type of business you manage, what works best for you. But this review widget is a really helpful way to just be, again, in the background without you thinking about it or worrying about it, always having new reviews being displayed on your webpage so people can see what other customers are saying about you and your services. That's all for this video. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments below. And otherwise, we wish you a lovely day.